If you miss any point in this video, you might continue to suffer a lot of losses every month. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that if your salary stops, your entire life collapses within weeks. That is not bad luck. That is not laziness. That is the salary trap. The system is designed in a way where you feel rich on paper but poor in real life. You see a big number on your offer letter and think, "I made it!" But quietly, before you even touch that money, it is already divided, promised, and taken away. Rent takes a big bite. Car payments take another. Groceries, insurance, subscriptions, taxes, credit cards. By the time your paycheck reaches your bank account, it is already tired. Think of a child who gets a big chocolate bar but is forced to give pieces to everyone around before taking a single bite. At the end, the wrapper is empty, but the child still feels like they had something big. That is how salary works for most people. Let's talk about the illusion of prosperity. Meet Sarah. Sarah earns $85,000 a year. That sounds amazing. Her friends think she is successful. Her family is proud. But here is what really happens. The moment her paycheck arrives, it disappears into automatic payments. Rent is already scheduled. Her car loan is already waiting. Utilities, phone bills, student loans, groceries, streaming apps, gym membership. She never sees the full money together. It is like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. When Sarah checks her account 2 weeks later, she has $48 left. Not because she did something wrong, but because the system trained her to live this way. A 10-year-old can understand this. If you keep spending all your pocket money before saving even one coin, you will never buy the toy you really want. Now comes lifestyle creep, the most dangerous enemy wearing a friendly face. When Sarah got her first raise, she felt proud, so she upgraded her apartment. When she got another raise, she bought a nicer car, then better clothes, then better vacations. Each time it felt deserved, and maybe it was. But here's the trap. Every upgrade became a new normal. Her expenses grew with her income like a shadow that never leaves. It's like a kid who gets a bigger lunchbox and immediately fills it with more snacks instead of saving some for later. The money never rests. This is how golden handcuffs are made. The job starts owning you, not because it pays little, but because your life depends on it. The system also increases your obligations faster than your income. Rent goes up every year. Insurance gets more expensive. Schools, healthcare, cars, everything costs more. Even when you get a raise, it feels like nothing changed. Stress stays the same, fear stays the same, you still wait for payday. Imagine running on a treadmill that speeds up every time you try harder. You are sweating more, but you are still in the same place. That is the salary trap in action. Working harder does not always mean moving forward. Here's the scariest part. Most professionals in the USA cannot survive 1 month without their paycheck. Not because they are stupid, but because they were never taught a different way. They have no financial optionality. That means no breathing room, no freedom. If the boss is toxic, they stay quiet. If the job is killing their health, they stay. If an opportunity appears, they cannot take it. It is like a bird with strong wings locked inside a cage. The cage is comfortable, but it is still a cage. So, how do you escape this system? First, you must understand one simple truth. Income is not wealth. Salary is like water flowing through your hands. Wealth is the water you store in a bottle. If you stop working and the money stops, that was never wealth. Real wealth stays even when you sleep. Savings, investments, assets. A 10-year-old understands this easily. If you earn candy every day but eat it all, you are not rich. If you save some candy in a box, you are. Next comes attacking the gap. The gap is the space between what you earn and what you spend. The system wants that gap to be zero. You must fight to make it bigger. That does not mean living a miserable life. It means choosing freedom over showing off. Driving a car that works instead of one that impresses. Living in a home that fits your future, not your ego. Every dollar saved is a soldier working for your freedom. Every dollar wasted is a chain holding you back. I am very happy that you did not skip the video and watched it till the end. Also, listen to these 2 or 3 things and definitely subscribe to the channel. Finally, you build optionality. This is the most powerful feeling a human can have. When you save 3 to 6 months of living expenses, something changes in your mind. Fear gets quieter. Confidence grows. You can say no. You can wait. You can negotiate. You can leave. It is like having an emergency exit in a building. You may never use it, but knowing it exists changes how you feel inside. The salary trap is not about money alone. It is about control. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. The system does not break you by force. It comforts you into obedience. Awareness is the first crack in the wall. Small decisions break the rest. Freedom is not built overnight. It is built quietly, slowly, and intentionally. And the moment you stop confusing a paycheck with progress, you start winning the game.